Hello traders, I will give you update after my last video. So let's go over the chart. In my last video I was giving you the trade, and we can now go to the chart and see the trade played out perfectly. I was giving you this area here. You actually had the opportunity to short twice. Yeah, you came to the anchored VWAPs, which are collecting volume from our current range. They are like your moving point of controls. Perfect, you know. Also, some people who missed this during end of the start of the Asia, you had one more push exactly to the dollar into the golden zone, and you caused swing failure pattern of this high, so you could have very tight stop loss. Yeah, and if you were day trading on sphere trading, you could place a bit higher stop loss above monthly point of control or above the range point of control. As a scalper, you had perfect entry. You actually risked only 0.2%, and look at the downside. You like gained, we can measure this, you know, over 4%. Yeah, my confidence is super high because I'm giving you only winning trades. I do not share you low probability trades in the group. I share you trades which I'm going to take, and I took them. So you had let's say 0.5% stop loss. You gain at least 8 times your stop loss. So that's the trades you are looking for, where you gain so much on one trade. Yeah, you have confidence into your next trades. You can say you made money for 8 stop losses. Yeah, for potential trades. That's how good trader arrives, you know, when you have such a good trades. It's just about patience. I was not shorting here, I was waiting here. Okay, too many levels at the same place. Even daily naked point of control was not touched. So many people trapped from this range, they didn't even let you touch it and kiss it, you know. Perfect trade, alright? But we came down there, okay? And for me, like, I was taking profit here at this anchor view up from this range, and we came to the bottom of the range. Yeah, you must open your template, which is tracking full range since we have big drop. And you are seeing where are deviations. You are seeing, especially to the downside, you are seeing where is the good take profit area for you and where is good place search for longs. All right, this was our drop over here. So when we arrived here, I closed most of my positions. I was left with 20% of the shorts. All right, and I started to seek for longs. And now as you arrive to this area, you must go to your scalping. To your scalping Bybit, for example, where I might mark usually most of my levels. You will be zoomed in. You can be on, of course, on 1 minute. Yeah. So we had weekly point of control. That was our first support. It was choppy here, not holding so much. Okay. Then we had the daily naked point of control. We took it with a group. The bounce was 0.60%. Not very good, you know. Just a small reaction. And then we had the VWAL of our current range, which I just showed you on the template. That was our VWAL over here. So already you will be seeking to take some decent profits here. We had a swing failure pattern of this local high, local low. Not so much liquidity down there. The most liquidity, the most people stop losses are over here. All right. But yeah, we didn't get it. Why? Because we had naked daily over here and also the golden zone. These two yellow lines are golden zones, and you can see already a lot of people are entering. It was not the most convincing reaction because we were chopping around. Like the probability of lower was there, but it's fine because also some big traders fill their positions. Yeah. The one important aspect I was telling the group yesterday, I'm watching Ethereum because everything is interconnected in trading. Bitcoin and Ethereum especially, they are like brothers. Yeah, they are dancing together. Ethereum is leading altcoin for the altcoins, and some people trade just Ethereum. So you must watch Ethereum. I always watch Bitcoin and Ethereum together. I want to see what our altcoin traders doing, and I want to see what our Bitcoin traders doing because Bitcoin is my main asset I trade. So I said in the group, yeah, the post is now in history, but I said it, you know, people know. When we form good swing failure pattern over here, I will be confident to add more longs to the Bitcoin. I just want to see. I also said we will probably not grab all the liquidity below the Bitcoin because just Ethereum is holding, you know. There was high risk here. We just break down with altcoins and Ethereum, and Bitcoin would bleed also and going after loss, but it didn't happen. Yeah, look at the 50-minute time frame. You took those important lows, most stop losses here, big liquidity here, big candle down, not huge volume, and the first candle here already showed you on 50-minute time frame the stability is coming and swing failure pattern is possible. So I was adding to some longs already on Bitcoin, on Ethereum. Then we had the green candle. We had retest of this swing failure pattern region, bounce, another bounce, another bounce. It's showing you are fine. You are not closing under. Okay. This time I watched it on higher time frame, not on as a scalper. Very good stability. And then we had the massive upside, yeah, but you are already into longs before the massive upside. You don't need FOMC news for this. You enter technically, very technically. You look here, yeah. We are holding, you know, and we started to form market structure change, which is the first step you need, especially after you took this to this high. You change market structure, right? Let me change this. Okay, so we started to change market structure. Look here, this low is important, this high is important. Took out, and now you are getting massive upside to the, you know, to the skies. Very good. Okay, so we arrived here. Also here, like, look at the upside. We had big upside before the news. This was a news event. Every month, the FOMC, the most influential central bank in the world, is issuing their forward guidance, yeah, for their monetary policy. And before the news, like, you had a lot of shorts closing because there was heavy shorting all day. So a lot of people were scared, you know, and they were closing, and they did it right, because after that we get massive pump. Okay. This was crazy scalping yesterday. I'm not sure how I'll be trading today. I don't need to, probably, because I already met my weekly targets for trading just with this single day over here. First we got perfect short from the top, total top. And now we started big, decent longs, not big longs, but decent longs, and I was just scalping with normal leverage here, and you could make a lot of money, yeah? Even now, as you went over VWAP and so on, if you pull your golden zone, you got perfect touch into golden zone. So all the people who missed the train arrived over here. They added. Look at the massive pump, yeah? And also your this high is pretty important. Let's go over here. You stopped at golden zone and 0.86, so good take profit target also for those bulls pushing over here before the news. So everything is absolutely technical here. You have no, yeah, everything's technical. So where is the news starting? Here are the news. Here are the news. Yes, you'll see here. So people were scared before the news. They could not. It's very hard to hold positions. And look at the push. The FOMC mentioned pretty important thing. They are neutral on crypto, which is more than enough for the big bulls to come back to the market and push the price up. Because sometimes they mention there are risks connected to cryptocurrency. They said they are neutral, but that's fine with me, because it means like their acceptance a bit, yeah. So market took it very, very positively, you know, and we got another beautiful scalps after the news, like a huge push into the monthly POC. I took profits here, the major profits here on my scalps. I was waiting for pullback again. I already marked this zone. Because this is zone of market structure support now, as we breached it, you know. Resistance, support, resistance. And now look at the perfect retest to the zone. And of course, if you pull your Fibonacci's, you know, Another golden zone hit, so another good entry. You don't need high leverage for this, you know, we just enjoy to the upside. Because volatility was crazy, like these moves, look here, 3.4%, yeah, crazy. Also 1 minute after the Fed news, there was a huge tether print of 1 billion, so it is it is usually bullish, it's a huge print, so yeah, market get confidence back. So we did very good trading. I went to sleep, you know, I prepared the market structure support zones. You can already see after massive upside, the market already started respecting market structure. Look here, those two highs, some shorts there already trapped, giving you bounce. This one we can delete, and now that we have bigger zone, the bigger zone from these like lower points already holding as well. So while you're holding this, the continuation upside and to the highs are very high. I already said the first thing in the group when I wake up and we were here, I said we are holding support, we are holding market structure support, we are now holding those anchor VWAPs which were resistance, they are now support. They collect massive volume, so look here, perfect retest. And if you do like a very aggressive Fibonacci pull, you are also holding 0.5 very close. And this point we can just range here, or we can take the high, but yes, this is looking for now very good for continuation. And if we go down, we are ready already. I'm already posted a good setup here, so if you join the group, you will see that. So this template is gold, you know, you must watch it, you know. Then, by the way, also on the first volatile push up, we had point of control here, so also it was good take profit. Now it's higher because market did volume, but I think it was somewhere here yesterday. So. And then we got first down, so the range point of control was giving you first target as well, and then we went down a bit. And there is now we have battle. We are battling with, you can see the high volume now this here, okay, in all this region. So market is battling, and it takes time to go through. And if we go over this point of control and this high volume node, you can expect revisiting high value area high. And if we breach value area high, you know, we go higher, we take these highs, we change big market structure, and we can start, I think we can have some nice uptrend adding to dips. Why not? We will see. We'll be watching here if we do not get swing failure pattern. That's why you cannot predict market. Like you cannot know what's gonna happen, because if you get swing failure pattern here and you continue down to the POG retest and then up, that's even better scenario. You must trade level by level, always. It's like one level will unlock you another level, yeah, and then you go. That's fine. Also, I can see some shorts were trying short this range. They are again trying again. If we continue up, we have fuel for the upside. Yeah. So how many? 20-30 million shorts. So still some fuel. That's pretty fine. Today's is a very quick update for me. There was also scanning exchanges. I see the FTX is preparing to beat golden zone. We will see if they are real, if we come there. But 1,200 bitcoins are on the awaiting over here. Not on other exchanges, so very interesting to see. Very big buyer over here. Also, one more mention. I can tell you, I expect last December week of trading, we have a lot of futures rolling over in cryptocurrency space, and we have big expiry. We look at the volume, like this is probably the biggest expiry this year. It was collecting volume all year. It's already 5.3 billion, so there will be a lot of interest about this expiry. I can tell you the bulls will be trying to get at least to 60k, because that's the first major profit target for them. And if you want to react most of the market, the Bitcoin will try to stay below 48k, because all these bulls here will then lose their bet, and shorts, will win. This is max pain scenario. You want to be under this point at 31st of December to react most of the market participants. So we will see. I expect big volatility. There will be fight for this. Yeah, bulls will be fighting for 60k. Shorts will be fighting to be under 48k. Simple. We already prepared liquidity in the group, so we know what we expect down there and what we expect up there. If we because when you grab liquidity, the chance of bounce is higher. Yeah, when it's done. Right now you see we are in no liquidity zone. This range did not produce nothing massive. Need to go direction. Okay. I'm still looking. This is the next short area I'm watching. Now, as we change some bias, I will be watching very carefully if we get some, probably we get some scalp from the weekly open, but I'm watching this area, yeah. But I think we trapped a lot of shorts in these areas, and if market starts to push, it can be very violent to the upside, so you need to really watch. But I will be watching this region. I think we have better and stronger shorts more up there. If you want to know about them, join our group and you will see them. And you will learn everything from trading about Exocharts and all those views. Like TRDR, already pressure. Alright, so that's it from me, very quick update about our trading yesterday, and I wish you good trading, guys, and I'll see you in the group. Bye bye.